Welcome to Choice Champions. The best easy bake oven mixes is probably one of the most nostalgic and delightful ways for kids to experience the joy of baking, offering a simplified yet rewarding introduction to the culinary world right in their own homes. And these mixes are specifically designed to work perfectly with the iconic Easy Bake Oven, ensuring successful and delicious results every time, making it a fantastic gift for aspiring young chefs. Number 5. Crayola Light Up Tracing Pad Pink. Discover the magic of drawing with this amazing tracing pad. It's the perfect way to bring your imagination to life on paper. This set comes with everything you need to begin your artistic journey. You'll find tracing sheets, blank paper, colored pencils, and more to get you started right away. The bright LED lights make it super easy to see your designs. Simply place a sheet on top and trace away, transferring your favorite images with precision. Take your art studio with you wherever you go. Its lightweight and portable design means you can draw and trace anytime, anywhere inspiration strikes. Looking for a special gift? This is an ideal present for birthdays or holidays, offering hours of creative fun for kids who love to draw and create. Explore different art styles like sketching and lettering. It's a fun and educational way for children to develop their artistic skills and express themselves. What we like? This art kit illuminates your drawings for easy tracing. If you are looking for a portable creative outlet for your child, this is a great choice. If you like to download and trace new designs frequently, you will love the endless possibilities. What people say. The tracing pad is bright, clear, and makes it incredibly easy for kids to trace even the more detailed designs. The light is strong enough to work well with different paper types but not too bright, so it's comfortable to use for long periods. The pad itself is lightweight and easy to carry, which makes it great for travel or using it in different rooms. Number 4. Linda's Essentials Silicone Oven Guards, 3-pack. Tired of painful burns from hot oven racks? These guards are a kitchen essential, designed to protect your hands and forearms while you bake or cook. Reduce the risk of accidental burns when handling hot dishes. Crafted from premium, food-grade silicone, these protectors can handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. They are flexible, durable, and perfect for daily use, offering reliable defense against intense heat. Easily customize the length with scissors to fit your oven, toaster oven, or microwave shelves. Each pack includes 3 14-inch protectors that offer a secure fit and complement your kitchen decor. Simply slide them onto the edge of your oven racks for a snug fit. They are also dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Remember to remove them before using your oven's self-cleaning cycle. From Linda's Essentials, a trusted family-owned brand with millions of satisfied customers. We are committed to providing high-quality, dependable products to simplify your kitchen tasks. What we like? These guards prevent nasty burns from hot oven racks. If you are tired of accidental burns while baking, you should consider these. If you want a customizable and easy-to-maintain kitchen safety accessory, these are perfect for you. What people say. Added colors tend to add impurities to the plastic and increase brittleness, which is bad when it needs to be flexible and heat-resistant. I'd recommend getting the black ones. That's what I got to avoid potential issues. It's lightweight and can be cut to fit any size. Has been used at up to 450 to 475 Fahrenheit with no issues. As someone who frequently burnt myself when putting things into or taking things out of the hot oven, these have been a lifesaver. They were simple to install and have saved my arms from burns so many times. These silicone oven guards are such a simple but useful addition to the kitchen. They make it easy to pull out oven trays even while the oven is on, so I don't always have to grab my oven mitts for quick adjustments. The material holds up well to the heat, and I love that I was able to trim them to fit each rack perfectly. Number 3. Easy Bake Ultimate Refill Bundle. Get ready to create delicious treats with our Ultimate Easy Bake Refill Bundle. It's packed with everything you need for endless baking fun. This bundle includes 4 exciting flavors: mini whoopie pie, cheese pizza, red velvet, and strawberry cakes. You'll have a variety of options to satisfy any craving. Whether it's a party, a rainy day, or just a sweet tooth craving, these refills are perfect. They make baking simple and enjoyable for everyone. Our refills are designed for ultimate ease. Just follow the simple instructions and watch your amazing creations come to life. Elevate your baking game with this all-in-one bundle. It's the perfect way to enjoy homemade goodies without the hassle. Don't miss out on this fantastic refill bundle. Grab yours today and start baking something wonderful. What we like. This bundle offers a delightful assortment of popular flavors. If you want to easily bake a variety of treats without buying individual boxes, this is the ideal option. If you love to have different dessert options readily available, this refill pack is a must-have. What people say. Grandchildren enjoyed making the baked goods with their easy bake oven. Kid-friendly. Way cheaper to buy these than to buy the same whole set with the easy bake oven. Perfect for kids and really yummy. Number 2. Children's Easy to Bake Oven Mixes Mega Refill Kit. Get ready for hours of creative fun with this ultimate baking refill kit. It's packed with everything you need to make delicious treats. This mega kit includes 12 different mixes to try. You can bake cupcakes, cookies, and so much more. Don't forget the frosting and sprinkles. Add the perfect finishing touches to all your baked goods. Designed for children, this set makes baking easy and enjoyable. It's a super pack for aspiring young chefs. With a net weight of 11.6 ounces, this kit provides all the essential supplies for your baking adventures. This is the ultimate set for any child who loves to bake. It's a complete package for endless culinary creativity. What we like. This mega kit provides a huge variety of baking mixes and decorations. If you are looking for a comprehensive set to keep your little ones entertained with baking for a long time, this is it. If you want to ensure you have all the supplies for various baking projects, this super pack is a fantastic value. What people say. My daughter loved doing the cake mixes herself and being able to make desserts. Awesome cake mix for easy bake oven. My granddaughter loved making cakes with these mixes. They even tasted delicious. Great for children. Number 1. Baketivity 31-piece Kids Baking Tools Set. Introducing a comprehensive 31-piece baking set designed for young chefs. It includes everything they need, like a whisk, rolling pin, and measuring cups, all perfectly sized for safe and confident baking with real food. Crafted with BPA-free, food-grade materials, these tools feature smooth edges and easy grip handles for little hands. A special nylon knife allows them to safely practice slicing soft foods, learning essential kitchen skills. These sturdy, reusable utensils are made for everyday kitchen adventures and are completely dishwasher safe. This means less cleanup for parents and more fun baking for kids. Ideal for children aged 4 to 10, this set encourages them to practice essential baking techniques. It fosters independence and sparks creativity in the kitchen as they learn and explore. With vibrant colors and cheerful packaging, this set makes an unforgettable gift. It's perfect for birthdays or holidays, keeping kids engaged, learning, and proudly creating their own delicious treats. What we like. This set includes real, child-sized cooking utensils for an authentic experience. If you want to equip your young chef with safe and durable tools to build confidence in the kitchen, this is the perfect gift. If you are looking for a way to encourage independence and creativity through hands-on baking, this set is ideal. What people say. Good quality and value for the price. They liked the multiple colors and the size of the kitchen tools. Quality materials, easy to read measurements, colorful, practical and fun. Real tools that work. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.